Executive Chef at Turnberry Golf Club in Lakewood, Illinois. Just wanted to let you know what's going on here at the club, food-wise. Starting October 3rd on Saturdays and Sundays, we're going to start offering breakfast from 8 o'clock until 11. So make sure you come out here. We got a wide variety of things to choose from, and we hope to see you on that. And then also, starting this weekend on Friday and Saturday night, we're going to have a create-your-own pasta. We'll have 3 different types of pasta, 3 different types of proteins, 3 different sauces, and different add-ons. So you get to create your own pasta. And as usual, we'll have our Cherrywood smoked ribs and our fish fry also available on Saturday and Sunday. I hope to see you soon, and have a great week. Thank you.